If you're managing a business and need a reliable way to send and receive money internationally, a PayPal corporate account or a business PayPal account is your best bet. PayPal is one of the most trusted digital payment platforms worldwide, offering seamless transactions for businesses of all sizes. To set up PayPal business account, head to paypal.com and click on Sign Up. Select Business Account and provide your email address. You'll then be prompted to enter your business details like business name, address, and type of entity, whether sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Once registered, you'll need to verify your email and link a bank account. This allows you to withdraw your PayPal funds directly. You can also connect a credit or debit card to complete transactions quickly. The PayPal free business account gives you access to features like multi-currency acceptance, professional invoices, and payment buttons for websites. Oh, and here's the best part. You don't need to pay monthly fees. PayPal only charges a small fee per transaction. That's it. Whether you're selling digital goods, physical products, or services, PayPal allows seamless integrations with major platforms like eBay, Shopify, and Etsy. And guess what? You can also manage payments right from your phone using the PayPal Business app. It's super convenient. For businesses handling higher volumes of transactions or working internationally, a PayPal corporate account ensures greater control with features like employee access permissions, advanced reporting tools, and mass payments. Make sure to keep your business documents, like your PAN card, business registration certificate, and bank statements, handy, as PayPal may request them for verification purposes. With just a few clicks, you can set up a PayPal business account and enjoy the ease of doing business globally, securely, and efficiently. For more information, visit the official PayPal Business Help Center.